Hi there friends, this is Josie, and this doll was a Ivy doll that I got from an auction, and she had a few little issues around her eyes, so I decided to go ahead and paint her, do some makeup and that sort of thing to make her to kind of do away with those. She's wearing these really cute little shoes, and the dress is from Rolling Rock Dolls. Check her out on eBay and Etsy. The wig I got from Zaza and K Collect, and I think she looks stunning in it. Here it is. Here's the back of it. Looks really beautiful. It's like a purple and blue curled. But I put flowers on her head, and these are old earrings, old American Girl earrings that I've been keeping. I don't like the two teeth, so I try to do away with the two teeth as much as I can. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care. Bye-bye.